Hi guys, today we're gonna cook some pancake. Pancake.
Show your pancake.
You see, huh? You see? It tastes better. So we can't. So we got. Now we can put it 7, 6. So we cut. So taste it and mix it. What is it?
Yes, you mix it. You tell them what are you doing.
I'm doing some pancake.
Careful.
Sorry.